If you're running a startup, HubSpot just made it a lot cheaper to get started. We're talking up to 90% off, and I'm going to show you exactly how to qualify, because it's not a promo code, it's better than that. Hey, welcome back to Janika Parkoti YouTube channel. Today I'm breaking down the HubSpot for Startups program. Who qualifies, how much you save, and how to apply. Links in the description. So HubSpot doesn't run a simple coupon code for this. Instead, they've got a startup discount tier. And honestly, the savings are bigger than most promo codes you'll find. If you've raised pre-seed, or Series A funding, but not Series B or later, and you're affiliated with an approved HubSpot partner, or you've got verified venture funding, you get 90% off year 1, then 50% off year 2, and 25% off year 3. If you're just connected to one of HubSpot's approved entrepreneurial organizations, accelerators, incubators, that kind of thing, you get 30% off year 1 and 15% off year 2. Quick note, this only applies to net new professional or enterprise plans, not the free tier. And funding gets verified through Crunchbase or PitchBook if you're not already tied to a partner org. There are over 4,000 approved partners, so there's a good chance your accelerator or VC is already on the list. Here's the process, and it's genuinely simple. First, check your eligibility with a quick form on the HubSpot for Startups page. Then set up your account and import your contacts and deals. Finally, pick your onboarding, guided or self-serve. No software installs, nothing to maintain. It's fully cloud-based, and it integrates with over 1,700 tools, including Gmail, Slack, Stripe, and Zoom. For a startup, that first year 90% discount is huge. It means enterprise-grade CRM and marketing tools without the enterprise price tag while you're still finding product market fit. And because the discount tapers over 3 years instead of dropping off a cliff, you're not blindsided when it's time to pay full price. If you're a founder or run a small team, this is worth 5 minutes to check your eligibility. I've put the direct link below. Go see if you qualify for the 90% tier. And if you found this useful, subscribe for more software deals like this every week.